Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Finding Pins. Today's a very special day because I'm going to be unboxing some of the cast exclusive Disney pins. It's the collection Happily Ever After with the princesses riding the horses with their kings or princes. So I'm really excited to get into these pins and see what they look like up close and personal because I have not opened them yet. So I did get the whole completed set, so we're gonna get right into opening up these pins and seeing what they look like. Opening these up for the first time with you together so we can see what we got. I'm so excited to see this completed set. Literally the whole reason I wanted to do their Disney College program was to open up and have access to these exclusive cast pins. So let's see what we got first. Do you see the detail on these things? So cool. This one's Aurora and her prince, and it says, and they lived happily ever after. They are so pretty. Look at that. You can tell the faces are like screen printed on there. They are really, really nice pins. So cute. I love them. Oh, next we have Beauty and the Beast. Tell me that's not a beautiful pin. That is exquisite. So beautiful. So exciting getting new cast pins. I don't know if I'll be able to trade any of these because they're so beautiful, but we'll see. Let's see what's next. Oh, there's Snow White and her prince. They all say happily ever after on them. And they're a pretty decent sized pin. They're pretty nice. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. It's Rapunzel. She's got her short hair with Flynn Rider. Really cute detail on this one. Let's see what's next. I really want to get the Ariel one. That's definitely a cute one. I want to keep for my collection. So that one's definitely not gonna be up for trade. Okay, I love, like, look at the plants in this one in the back. The Mulan is so cute. I love these pins. So beautiful. So beautiful. And then we have Cinderella and her king. They're so cute. So adorable. All right. Let's see what we got in this one. Okay, so here we have Anna and Kristoff. So cute. And Sven's on there. That is so cute. So slay. I'm really obsessed with that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And the best for last. Ariel in her pink dress, which I love her in that pink dress, with Prince Eric. They're so cute. And it reminds me of that scene when she's riding the horse and buggy for him in the movie. If you know, you know. So those are really, really cute. Now, My roommate really wanted to get in on this drop too, so she's gonna let me open up her package and we'll see which one she got. So that completed the set, but let's see what extra ones we have, because maybe she'll be up to trading them too. All right. First one for this one is Belle, Beauty and the Beast. All right, so we have 2 of the Beauty and the Beast, 2 of the Cinderella. So cute. Okay, we have Aurora again, which I love this Aurora pin, and she's in the Byra Rose outfit, so that's really cute. And then look at Spin in this again. He's so cute. Really, really nice pins. Really, really nice. Let's see what else we got. So another Snow White. Love that. Oh, another Mulan. That's such a good one. Mulan is so cute. And then we have another Rapunzel. And Flynn Rider, and Maximus looks like such a stud in that. So cute. I love it. So we had Anna and Kristoff, we had Aurora and Philip, Belle and Beast, Cinderella and Charming, Mulan and Lashang, Rapunzel, Flynn Rider, Snow White, and the Prince. So that's really exciting. That was the second order. Now the first order, this is the full set. It's Anna and Kristoff, Ariel and Eric, Aurora and Philip, Belle and Beast, Cinderella and Charming, Mulan and Lashang, Rapunzel and Finn, and Snow White and Prince. So cute. Now these pins were originally $35 each, and they're super cute, and some of them will be up for trade, so let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you would be down to trade anything. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, give me a little comment for me, and I really appreciate your support. Have a great day.